Welcome to Learn, Relearn and Unlearn, the channel where we don't simply learn facts, we learn wisdom. We relearn what truly matters. And sometimes we must unlearn the beliefs that silently keep us poor.
It was a quiet Sunday morning. 68-year-old Ramanathan, a retired bank manager, sat on the veranda reading a newspaper. His spectacles rested low on his nose. Beside him, a steaming tumbler of South Indian filter coffee. His granddaughter Ananya, 24 years old, rushed into the house with excitement. "Tata, I received my annual bonus." She waved her phone. "The money has already been credited." Ramanathan smiled. "Wonderful. So, what will you do with it?" Ananya laughed. "I will invest." The old man nodded. "Good. Where?" She hesitated. "I don't know."
My office friends say stocks. My parents say fixed deposits. My uncle says buy gold. My cousin says land. My neighbor says mutual funds.
That's a lot to think about.
Everyone gives advice, but nobody explains how to decide.
My dear, today I won't tell you where to invest. I'll teach you how to choose.
The next morning, instead of taking Ananya to a bank, Ramanathan took her to the local fruit market. She looked confused. "Tata, I wanted to learn investing. Why are we buying mangoes?" He smiled. "We are not buying, we are learning." They stopped before 4 fruit vendors. The first sold ordinary mangoes, the second sold imported apples, the third sold bananas, the fourth sold expensive cherries. Every fruit had different prices, different quality, different shelf life, different demand. Ramanathan smiled.
Investments are exactly like fruits. There is no best fruit. There is only the right fruit for the right purpose.
They returned home. Ramanathan drew 5 circles on a blackboard. Fixed deposits, post office schemes, gold, real estate, stock market.
You lend money to the bank. The bank promises to return your money with interest after a fixed period.
I see. So it's very safe.
Exactly. Your money is protected. It's safety first.
That's a good lesson.
The second, post office saving schemes.
Okay.
They are backed by the government. Excellent for conservative investors. Very safe. But returns are generally moderate.
I see. Safe and steady.
Exactly. Ananya, this is my wedding ring. Gold has protected our family for generations.
It's so beautiful.
It preserves wealth like a store of value.
I understand, Tata.
Real estate can grow in value over time.
How does it grow, Tata?
Property values appreciate, and you can earn rental income.
So it's like a tree that grows?
Exactly. A very good comparison.
And the stock market?
We'll get to that. Now, for the stock market. When you buy shares, you become a small owner of a company. This certificate gives you part ownership in a real business.
So it's like owning a piece of a company?
Exactly. And as the company grows, your investment can grow too.
I see. It's about long-term ownership.
Yes. A roadmap for your future.
Which one is the best?
That is the wrong question. There is no best investment. There is only the right investment for the right purpose. The best investment doesn't exist. Perhaps the best way to evaluate investments does.
I see.
He erased everything, then wrote 3 words in large letters: safety, returns, liquidity.
My dear, every investment in the world can be judged using these 3 questions.
Safety, returns, liquidity. I see now.
Exactly. These are the principles.
Ramanathan placed 5 pots on the table. One was made of steel, another glass, another clay, another plastic, one paper.
Ananya, look at these 5 containers. They're all the same size.
Yes, Tata, but why are they made of different materials?
Exactly. Each material represents a different level of safety in investing. If I drop these, which survives?
The steel one.
Exactly. Safety means, how likely is it that your original money will come back?
The safer the investment, the lower the chance of losing your capital. Generally speaking, government-backed small savings schemes are considered among the safest. Bank fixed deposits in regulated banks they are subject to bank health and deposit insurance limits.
Ramanathan planted 5 seeds. One grew into grass, another into a rose, another into a mango tree. Some grew slowly, some faster.
Anya, let's plant these seeds. Each one will teach us about investment.
Okay, Tata, I'm ready.
This first one grows fast, like quick money.
It's sprouting already.
Patience brings the best returns. See the mango tree?
I understand now. Time and patience.
Returns are the reward your money earns. The higher the possible return, the greater the uncertainty is often likely to. Fixed deposits generally provide predictable but modest returns. Gold may appreciate over long periods, but not consistently every year. Real estate may provide appreciation and rent, but it depends on the market. Stocks have historically delivered strong long-term returns in many markets, but there are no guarantees.
I see.
Never chase returns without understanding risk.
I understand.
He placed 3 objects on the table: cash, gold, a miniature house.
If you need 1 lakh rupees tomorrow, what will you sell?
Cash first. Then gold. The house last.
Exactly.
Liquidity means how quickly you can convert an investment into cash without significant loss. Cash is immediately available. Many bank deposits can be accessed, though some may involve penalties before maturity. Gold can usually be sold relatively quickly. Real estate may take weeks or months to sell. Stocks listed on exchanges can often be sold quickly during market hours, though the price you receive depends on market conditions.
Ramanathan smiled. See, no investment scores perfectly. Every investment is a compromise.
So, there is no perfect investment?
No. The best investment depends on your purpose. If you're saving for next year's tuition, you may prioritize safety and liquidity. If you're investing for retirement that is decades away, you may be able to accept more fluctuations in pursuit of higher long-term growth. If you want emergency money, liquidity becomes essential.
I see.
If protecting capital is your priority,
Safety matters most.
wise investors don't ask, which investment is the best? They ask, which investment is best for my goal?
I understand now.
Ramanathan pointed to an old wooden stool. It stood on 3 legs. He gently removed one leg. The stool collapsed.
Imagine this tool is your investment. One leg is safety. One leg is returns.
One leg is liquidity.
If you ignore even one, your financial decisions become unstable. The smartest investors balance all 3.
That evening, Ananya opened her notebook. She wrote, "Before investing, I will ask 3 questions. Is it safe? What returns can I reasonably expect? How easily can I get my money back when I need it?" Ramanathan smiled quietly because he had not taught her a product. He had taught her a way of thinking about choosing a financial product to fulfill a specific goal, short term, mid term, or long term, and that would guide her for the rest of her life.
Money grows, not because we chase the highest returns, but because we make wiser decisions. Remember, every investment involves trade-offs. The right investment is the one that matches your goals, time horizon, and comfort with risk. Learn, relearn, and sometimes unlearn. Because financial freedom doesn't begin with money, it begins with wisdom. If this story changed the way you think about investing, share it with someone who is just starting their financial journey. Subscribe to Learn, Relearn, Unlearn, where we simplify timeless financial webs.